Okay. All right. So you can please connect, okay? So let's run through it together. If you're on, just give me just say I'm live. It won't be a long one. I promise you that. So I'm gonna use two screens here, so I'm not sure. One screen. Okay, active, active. Okay, are we good to go? I'm waiting for Frank to join us. All right, active, active, active. Okay, welcome, guys, to this live session. We are going to learn how to set up and use Jupyter Notebook for practicing Python. Can you hear me? Practicing Python programming languages. So whether you are just starting out or you're brushing up your skills, today's session will give you the tools to learn Python in a more interactive and engaging way. So we're going to do a quick intro. Now, what is Python? What is Python? Is it a snake? Is it an animal? No, it's too much. Oh, sorry. Let me. What is that? Okay. So what's Python? Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. Why? Because it's easy to learn and read. Python is used in data science, data analysis, website development, artificial intelligence, and automation. And Python is fast, is diversified, both animations, gamings, and so on. Python is beginners friendly, but yet a powerful tools for pros in tech industries. So if you are starting your coding journey, Python is one of the best places to begin. So you are at the right place at the right time. Okay. Now what is Jupyter Notebook? Is it a planet? Is it a solar system? Is it what we read in books? Now, so now instead of writing your code in your normal terminal, like your terminal, CMD, Shell, Git Bash, VS Terminal, we'll use a tool called Jupyter Notebook. Now, Jupyter Notebook is like a digital notebook for programmers. It allows you to write and run Python codes in small blocks called cells. It allows you to see results immediately under your code. It allows you to add texts, explanations, and even images alongside your codes. It allows you to organize your learning step by step. It makes programming or coding much more effective for learning and problem solving than typing everything in terminal. Because in terminal, you cannot save in terminal, you cannot only delete. But Twitter can save your stuff, create a new page. You will see that briefly soon. So why Jupyter Notebook over normal terminal or bash? Let me explain briefly. In a normal terminal, you type commands and only see the output. Just do and send. But in Jupyter, you can experiment with code easily. You can document your thoughts process with notes. You can run small parts of code without restarting the whole programs. You can go back to your previous, let's say you did a code, wrote a code 2 weeks ago. You can go back to that same code and change it and with like a notepad. With a notebook, you can visualize your graphs, you can show graphs, charts, pie chart, histogram, mostly in DS and machine learning. Images, it shows images, so it's good for AI engineers, scientists who are doing analysts, scientists, even machine learning students. Most students prefer Jupyter instead of normal the mainstream or traditional used terminal. So Twitter gives you advantage over the normal bash. You will see it soon. And with that, in fact, we use this stuff for me, but people are into machine learning. Like when I was doing my ML course as last year December, I used it a lot to do that. It's lovely. View your charts, to analyze data, to predict things. It's so simplified and self-explanatory. All right, let's go on. All right, enough talks. Let's actually open Jupyter Notebook and start coding. I'll begin with some simple Python examples so you can see how easy and fun it is to use. Can we proceed? Just give me a thumbs up or let me know if it's understood. You can proceed. I'm not a thumbs up. Feel I see thumbs up. Let me see if you're with us. Okay. I'm saying Franklin. Is it Franklin Benjamin? Franklin Edwards? Let me know which James is your father. Your founding fathers. Oh my God. Oh, Professor. Yes, 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 yes. Franklin Saint. I love that. We make heaven. We make heaven. Okay. Very, thumbs up. If you're ready, I'm waiting for the rest of you guys. Let's proceed. Okay, Osas, have you left us? Sorry? All right, all right, okay. Jack Robinson. This name is very funny. Before I say Jack Ibangawa. Oh yeah, Jack Robinson. Okay, so let me share my screen with you guys. Let's begin. Let's walk you through it together. Bear with me. Let me share the whole window, Seth. Let me share the whole window with you guys. The whole window. So let me see. Let me see if you can see can you see my screen? All right, not yet, not yet. Let me try again. I need to share my window. Let me see again. Select entire screen. Okay, that's our screen one. Okay, I've set it in the screen one, yeah. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, all right, so let's go. So let's start. How can we open your Jupyter notebook. First of all, you can download it from your go to the Google. Google, just go to Google, just type through an app, a site called Anaconda. Just put download Jupyter, just Jupyter Anaconda. Then one person has gone there. Of course, go to the first link that's there. Click on the first link, and you see now Anaconda is a software that has 20 packages in it, and Jupyter is one of them. Things like has even Python, has Spider, and so on with it. So just install Anaconda, install so many other IDEs and packages at once. By the way, Jupyter also runs with Python and a language called R. R is used for things like data science and analysis, so it's similar too, but today we'll delve more on Python. So we do this, then click on free downloads to show you. Then when it loads, once it loads, like yes, get started. They must do this one. Okay, skip registration, download now. Now, so I want to use Mini. Mini is usually for distribution. Mini is usually for professionals. Since you guys are beginners, you use distributions. Then we have Windows OS, MacBook, Linux. With Windows, yeah. Then install it. But don't worry, that is ready. So I open my because once you install it, loads. It's finished downloading your system that way. Then I have mine already. You see that you go to your to see it, go to your Windows logo, click on the Windows key or Windows, then as it goes there, open, go to all, then you go to Anaconda 3, and click on Jupyter to start it up. That's now it's started up. Once it starts like that way, let us see if you have even if you have Python installed in your system already. You check that. Just you can use git bash to see if you have Python in your system, then Python. So git bash shows here. Just type in the command to see if Python is here. Py space hyphen version. See if you have it. Okay, mine is on 3.13. So I have mine in my system. So just see that it shows this is no it shows error, don't have it. So okay, that is done. Now you see, yeah, I have to just start up my Jupyter and it loads. Normally, if for me that it's automatic, it's really open by itself. But if sometimes it's not, most times once you go to your once you go to your Windows your menu, all click on Anaconda Jupyter, then it opens. It has to now load by itself, loads. Once it loads by itself, it's by default opens by itself on the browser. If it doesn't do that, just copy the file path or the URL. I'll show you how to do that. See loading. Then with that, we'll start. Please, it's gonna be a class of practicals. So they just go together. So now you see, it shows me some things. So this HTTP localhost token. Either you can copy this first one or this second one. Now, normally in programming, localhost has its own. Localhost also means 127.0.0.1. They're all localhosts. This is local IP for that. So the folder is for React, Python, PHP, the same thing. So copy this first one by itself. Copy here and paste on your browser by default. Click on send. It's gonna go. So let's know if you are there. Let's open it. Let's open your system. Open your Jupyter. So if you open Jupyter, just give me a thumbs up. Let's move on. We have 15 minutes gone in this video. Wow. This is very funny. It's not funny again, though. All right. Please open your Jupyter. Just give me a thumbs up. You can proceed, please. Okay. All right. Yes. As soon as that's is live, is done. Not live. Okay. Jack Robinson is done. Okay. Who else is not? Who else is waiting for? Frank. Okay. He's open. Yeah, that's good. Right. Talking. So now it opens. Starts to be like. But you can have your two screen. Like me now, I have my two screen. Just two screen to just view the video and practice two together. All right, let's now in Jupyter. This is the Jupyter Notebook homepage. It shows like it's like your normal your laptop, your system default homepage. See it, your contact, it's information my contact, downloads this. So now I love putting my own in what they call it file organization. I love putting all my files together. So now, for example, I have a folder that I put all my file of CSV. CSV means comma project values together. I put all my Excel document in one folder, all my PDF one folder for easily file movement. So now I did a new folder by coming here, new folder. I call it a name IPYBNB, IPY. I means interactive Python notebook. That's why you save your Jupyter notebook is dot .pynb. Then I'll put all my Jupyter stuff in it so I can easily movement. So just do that for me. Click on new, create a new folder, call it IPYNB, which is the file extension for saving Jupyter notebook files. So you have Python is .py, you have for PHP.php. So for Jupyter is .ipynb. IPY means interactive Python notebook. So are we good? So now I have mine already. Let me go myself. If we do that, click on the new file you created, or just my personal one. I was doing more of it was 10 months ago, 9 months ago. So now we'll put in a new file. All right, if you are ready, let's so inside the file, inside the folder you open a new file, new, click on Python 3 APY kernel. Okay, once that is done, good. Let's now get going now with this. So now open for you a brand new file called kernels. Since this is the intro, give it a name. Change this untitled one to let's call it introduction. Let's call it introduction. Can be lowercase, uppercase, male case is a choice. I love uppercase my title intro. Okay, hope it's clear. Okay, hope it's clear. Are we good? So let's proceed now, right? Let's proceed. Okay. Okay. Let me. So, if you are good, if you're following, okay. Oh, I'm saying not following. So, what's the issue? Now, okay, name the folder. Call the folder. Call it IPYNB. We mean IPYNB means interactive Python notebook. Okay. Mr. Mr. Jack, are you with us now? All right. Okay. Just for good. If you have finished creating the file and naming it, okay, this is rename it. Should name it. Not give it a name. So as you open your create a file, let's change that. Give it a new name. Go to up here, click on that. Oh, it's not showing itself. Let me share my screen with you guys. Let me share my screen with you guys. All right. Okay. Good. So once you create a your note, remember, we did this. We came to let me do a review again from beginning. So when I loaded my Jupyter terminal, it showed me this one. It showed me okay. When I loaded my Jupyter terminal, can you see my screen? My laptop screen. Oh. Okay. All right. So this is my our Jupyter notebook homepage. We went to this, click on new, then a new folder. I rename it IPYNB, meaning it's a file extension for saving Jupyter notebook files. So IPY means interactive Python notebooks. Then, when that is done, click on that the file you created, the name it, click on it, then click on new, open a new file. We call it IPY kernels. Click on it. It will now show you a brand new empty file. We'll do all our practicals, examples here. And since today is our first class, so let's name this file introduction. Yeah, introduction or intro. That's introduction. That's introduction. So click on that. The see something called untitled one. Click on it once and rename it. Can use caps lock, uppercase, lowercase, camel case, your choice. I love using uppercase. Called introduction and click on rename. Did mine go? Why did not change to what's happened to this? Let me see. Let me see what I score of the introduction. Okay, what's happening? Let me see. In, okay. Oh, it's called the caps lock. Let me see again. Introduction. Oh, is it too long? Intro. Intro went. Is it okay? I think it's length. Like I like it. Introduction. It didn't go. So let's just use intro. The intro for now. All right. Let's now begin. So now I want to use one stone to kill three birds at the same time. Okay. We will do the programming practicals. We'll learn Python. Same time learning how to work with Jupyter. At the same time, we'll learn how it flows. So I think I'll use two screens here. Just bear with me so that to be much okay. Let's see how it goes for now. All right. So all right. Can you proceed? Okay. Now let's do the first article we'll do is so now how do we let's do five simple examples codes. Because yeah, five simple example codes. Let's see. Let's call it a name. So now let's write beginners. I'll call it beginners Python coding examples. Okay, now I typed right now on the Jupyter terminal a cell. Now how do you send? It's two ways. That you choose to hold shift and enter at the same time, and it will do this for you. Okay. Are you showing me error because of it's not a language. You only understand Python, not this. Now not just like more like I want to give you the header. Can I do it? Now you see in terminal you saw in the header Jupyter intro. The subheader have file, edit, view, run, settings. Now below it you see something some things. You see code has like a drop down. The code means we are doing only codes. But since you want to now put a header, click on the codes and change it to markdown. Now you see if if you're not putting, click on same time, shift enter. Okay. So markdown. Come back here and do shift enter. It's now done now. But now I want it to become more bolder, like normal HTML H2 H3. To edit it now, click on that same beginners Python code twice, papa, or thrice. Now make it be bolder or bigger. Use this, or this is a markdown language. Markdown for your README files. So for H1 is one hash symbol. Okay, then I'll begin. I see it's bigger now. I want to do it to be H for H2. Use the example now. Just let's play with this more. Let's play with it. So for H2 is two hashtag. Click on can do your that run by shift enter or go to this place. You go to this run. This this run is place sign below just below the under the run. We have file edit run this place sign. So run it. It runs. I love using my keyboard. Is for H2. For H3 is three of that. Then paste, change to markdown. I love using to run. Shift enter. You see different side, but today we'll use um, H1. So hope we did that successfully and it's clear. Okay, so and of course, how do we save? You see, in the line of the code line towards the extreme left, you see a save icon. Click on save and it's saved by default. It's saved. If you go back to the previous tabs, you will see it there too. Um, the intro is saved. So you go back there. All right. Now, super are using only want to use only the first one. So delete those other two. Can delete can delete by this. Now can delete by extreme right, the delete icon, or go to this the extreme left, that blue stuff, and click on that stuff and type D twice to delete. So you have some short keys, but let's just do it normal for now. Go our time. So we have done, we achieved the header, beginners coding example. Let's now code now. So change the markdown to code. That is to code. Okay. I don't know. Is there any questions or you are not following? Okay, we start have an issue. Okay. Um, notebook does not appear to be JSON. Okay. Um, So, but let me find out this issue I'm seeing from SaaS. Have you having some issues with SaaS? Have you successfully, anybody successfully did the header, the written the beginners Python coding examples? Okay, what of Frank? Okay, so SaaS, let me I wish you can share screen. Yes, I can share screen in this. Okay. Um now SaaS now okay. Now for your own case now, just you can exit, you can I'll say this, you can but have you opened the file? Is it opened? All right. So that you should write right. You can't save it, Abi. You can't rename it. You can't with that change the file name. Is that the issue? Okay, so now let's go again. Okay, so now go again. Click on the file name top, just on at the nav bar. Just call it intro. Try anything all small letters. Let us flow together. Okay, all the small letters. Okay, okay. Any progress? Okay, okay, okay. I think we'll have to come and come and view you. In the meantime, let's okay.